we're gonna start a series of videos talking about algorithms and data structures using TypeScript. So I'm gonna try going direct to the point here. You have the docs, and the docs are always our friends. So if you wanna know behind the scenes of some solution we give here to you, just go to the docs, all right? And let's try to keep these videos short videos so you can learn faster and go on your own time reading the docs, all right? So first of all, I'm gonna show you how to configure a local environment so you can run the tests and the code on your computer. All right, so I'm gonna leave this link, this GitHub repo link here in the description. Let's clone it on our computer. So, okay, I'm here, git clone, okay. So after cloning it, let's go inside it and run yarn. You can run npm install also. Let me open this on our VS Code. And all right, here's the cool stuff. Inside the source folder, we're gonna have one folder for each algorithm or data structure that we're gonna look here at this series of video, okay? So going to the point, let's go to the first one. We only have this one right now on this video. So we have this reverse string. Let's open the index file. Okay, look, don't open at the first moment this solution.ts file, okay? Because we have the solution here. And if you guys wanna practice, so go to the index.ts. So we have some description here. It has to take a string and return a string with the characters in reverse order. So let's try it. So let me go back to our terminal and we can run here this awesome command, okay, on yarn test. Then we can pass the source slash reverse string and dash dash watch. So if we change our index file, this is going to watch our chains. All right, so tests are failing because we don't have implementing any solution yet. And okay, so the first one here, it should be defined. Okay, it is defined. It's cool. So should return the reverse string, and it isn't. Then here, just to be sure, should reverse the string. Come on, yeah, cool stuff. So it is expecting this, but got this. So let's implement it here, okay? To reverse the string, we can, oh, okay, cool stuff. Let me disable my Copilot here so it will not autocomplete the code for us because this is not cool while learning. So here we can just get the string we have here, okay? Then I'm gonna split it so it will give array. All right, so we have a description here in our VS Code if you wanna read it to know what's going on behind the scenes. Then we're gonna reverse it. So again, you can read it here, or maybe you can go to the docs for it, like on Mozilla, right? You have here some explanation about some description, examples about this reverse method, okay? So we're gonna use it, and it's not gonna work because we have reversed our array. Now let's join it again, okay? So if we go back here to our terminal, we have this working. This is awesome, huh? Let's try another solution here. Let's try reverse without array reverse. That is like without using our array reverse method, okay? And basically, let's do something here. I'm gonna create a result. Here it's gonna be empty. So let's go through our string. We're gonna define here let I equals the string that we are getting here dot length -1, and while the I variable is greater or equal 0, we can keep going through this for. loop here, and we can each time decrease our I variable. So we have the total number of letters here on our string. We're going to go through each letter and decrease each one. So, okay, then here we can get our results and concatenate the current letter that we are going through. So basically, we're gonna get our string here at the current index and concatenate on our current result variable. Then after this for, we can return it here, okay? Awesome. So if I go here, it's passing because we haven't changed this here yet. So let's go here, import that new one. It's reverse without array reverse. Then here the method we can try to replace here with this new one, and it's working. Just to be sure, let's go here, put some wrong code. All right, and okay. Let's go back, and now it is working. Cool. So you can get the solution here. All right, but first, please go into the folder you wanna going to practice. Go to the index.ts file and try to find your own solution while running the tests here with this command, okay? The folder directory dash dash watch, so you can practice. And if you wanna, you can like replace this file here with your own solution and not commit or not if you are gonna like fork this repository, not commit this index file, so you can go back to it later to practice it again, and get used to it. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching, devs. See you soon.